Guys, look at this. Bitcoin is about to break out of this level that we've been looking at for a very, very long time. We did have a pattern right here that was forming. We had this like triangle pattern that we were being held down by resistance. And oh wow. Is this going to be a fake out or not? Look at this. We are so close to breaking above this, hitting this target level that we were looking at. So if you guys want oh, wait a minute. I gotta close this out. But yeah, if you guys are watching, make sure that you stay tuned because we might actually be able to see this breakout happen live. I mean, we were so close to this top. Look at this. Right here, we were so close. But we did have, oh wow, we have some pretty serious bearish divergences on the RSI going on. Let's take a look and see about that. So we have bearish divergences on the RSI, but I feel like since we already have bullish divergences going on between this low and this, that we could pop back up. But right now we had bearish divergences playing out, and I think it's too close to the high right now to not have this happen. So let's go ahead and look at some of these targets for you guys. So we get this breakout. Let's take a look at this. Where is my thing here? Where is this? Here we go. So we'll take it from the bottom. So we could be looking at, if we get a proper breakout of this with high volume, we could be looking at, 41,000. We're putting in a new high. Could be one of our targets right now. Let's see. So I'm just looking at this little thing that I have over here. Looking at the volume. Yeah, we had bearish CVD here. So this looks like it's gonna possibly fake out for a little while at least. We don't have any people trying to short this. We do have some people longing, but people are taking profits on their long. So this could be a support resistance flip right here of the previous week value area high. So this could be the stop. Let's take a look, see. No, okay. Yep. And so yeah, we have that popping off right now. And let's take a look. Yes, we have to get above that. Again, if we do have some type of fake out, we could end up coming all the way back down. Basically, coming all the way down and taking these lows right here. So let's take a look at some of the Fibonacci work here. Let's see if I can show this. Yeah, I got my trader's checklist over here on the left side that we have to go over. So let's take a look. Yeah, first let's go ahead and just simply pull the Fibonacci from the high to the low. We are in this golden pocket zone right here. So if we can break above that, the next area of resistance would be the 786. But even with the 786, you run into the issue of there you have these highs right here. So we could just come up, take that, and then blast off. But we also have some naked point of controls to get through. So if we come up here, this would be a really good naked point of control to bounce from. So you come up, you hit this, and then just come right back down. We also have a weekly level exactly basically at that point of control. Yeah, the weekly and the point of control are exactly the same. And let's see, do we have any other? Oh, we do have naked point of controls, but those are completely dead. So those are not non-existent anymore. Whoa, whoops. I accidentally deleted our Fibonacci, but we see the Fibonacci. And then let's look at that. Okay. Oh, wow. To the dollar on that. Wow. Okay. Let's delete this. Whoops. And yeah, so far we just have the trend lines. And then we could see that this has a lot of possibility to break up because we have touch, then break up. So we want to get a lot of people really are looking for this to break up here. So let's go ahead and look so far. Let's start in the 4 hour. Let's look for some order blocks and stuff like that. So we do have an order block here. Let's see if I already have that marked off. Yes, we do. Oh yeah, we also have a 2 hour order block around this area. So there's a lot of reasons to bounce, get a rejection from here. Oh wow, we have a lot of shorts opening right now. Look at this. You see these shorts? Yeah, you see these shorts. Tons and tons and tons of shorts. And then you also have longs closing out too. So this is looking like we might want to look for a rebound if we're going to pump up. So let's go ahead and switch gears here. See if we might be able to do some live trading analysis. Probably bounce off the support resistance flip. Let's see on the 5-minute. Yeah, so now this is acting. So this once was resistance. Now it could be acting as support now. So let's take a look, see at that. We are starting to put in some divergences. Well, no, not really. So I should have shorted this. There's definitely signs to short that. So let's take a look, see if we pull like this. Where could we be looking? Okay, so around 37,450 is what? 37,450, right around here. So as you can see, we touched that line exactly, and then we got a nice little bounce up. Okay. What I'm looking at right now is price and RSI are basically doing the same thing. We still have this and this, but that doesn't count. The 1 minute, we had some divergence going on as well. What's going on over here? On the 5-minute, we came up here, so we could easily just come back down on the 5, somewhere around here to pump back up. We had this. So we have a nice little trend line. Oh, wait. Yeah, we have a nice little trend line on the RSI there. Let's take a look, see if we can find that while I do my best to try to watch what's going on with this price action. So let's go ahead and bring this up. No, that doesn't really work out. Yeah, that doesn't really work. All right, yeah, let's go back to the price action. So yeah, we have this massive, let's bring this naked point of control, the level, 2-hour order block. Okay. So again, so far so good of using this as a backtest of support, but again, we're coming back down. If we look again, the amount of longs that are opening are starting to die off. Let's bring this back down to 6 mil. Let's bring this. So yeah, you can see just the trajectory of the longs just going down and down and down and down and down and down. Then you also had this rounding. Usually when you have this rounding, that means that Bitcoin's gonna come back around. So let's take a look, see if we can find anything where we can get ourselves into a long if we're not in a long, because I do think this is going to break up. I mean, look at this. Barely. So this high, we barely took it. This high, we could take it. Let's see. Waiting for there to be some type of indication, at least on the RSI or something like that. Let's see. We're coming down. Let's hop on the 1 minute. Let's bring these up. Damn, all of these things have been triggered. So we gotta move this. I gotta separate these damn things again. Alright, this high was triggered. Oops. So right now we are currently waiting. We're just watching the volume right now, basically. I know this is not fun, it's not interesting, but hey, this is trading. Alright, so let's take a look here and see what we got. We do have some turning around. Yeah, I'm looking more for this area right here. I think that this could be a good area. Because you can see, like, look at this. We have so much more room to come down on the RSI in 1 minute. And that's kind of what I'm looking for, is to come at least all the way down to somewhere around here, something like that, before we get another push up. But anyways, let's go back to the higher term stuff. All right. So what am I looking for on this? So we have this, we still have this triangle in play. And then also to this area where we had the naked point of controls, the level, the order block, let's see, do we have any of these? Nope. Okay. Oh yeah, so let's go ahead and run through this trader checklist here. So we have order blocks. We already went through the 2 hour, the 4 hour. As far as above us, let's go ahead and check the information below us. Let's hide all these trend lines. So below us, what do we have? There are no order blocks below us. Okay, let's check these. All of these things are below us. Okay, still looking at the volume. Yeah, longs are definitely not opening right now, so this isn't looking too good. Yeah, I'm thinking we're gonna get one more push up. Okay, let's see. Trend lines, we already went over some of the trend lines. Let's look at to see if there's any type of channels that we can see. Are there any channels? Well, we do have this type of thing happening here. And then we also have this happening. So we could say that possibly there's a channel right here. Looks like a nice little channel. See what it looks like on the lower term time frame. Yeah, it looks pretty good. So it looks like we're just channeling up. Okay. Yeah, so we have a nice little channel going on. I mean, you could even say we probably have a smaller one here too. A channel within channel. Like this, like this. Oh, no, we don't. I thought it was going to go up a little bit more than that. Okay. Would you enter a long now or wait for a pullback? Yeah, so Joe977. For me personally, I am going to wait for a little bit of a pullback. I think right now I'm kind of waiting on this area for a pullback if I go on the 1 minute. Either this area or somewhere around here. I mean, we could use this 618 area as a place to enter along because you do have this middle of the channel popping up. Or you could do this and wait for kind of like a VWAP retest, a test of this support right here. So that could be a thing. But right now it's clear that by the volume, if we look at the volume, you can just see that we broke up a bunch of above a bunch of resistance on declining buy volume, and then here you started to have sellers kind of stepping in here. But the thing is right now you're putting in some bullish CVD divergences, and so that looks like it's possible that this is the time for the turnaround. As well as you see on the RSI, you're starting to have this uptick right now, and so that's showing some bullish momentum. And that means that we could just be doing a simple support resistance flip of this. So this was once resistance, resistance, resistance. This whole little area now could be acting as a support. It's possible, but I don't know. We're gonna have to kind of wait and see how it plays out, because there's really still not that much buy volume coming in. Because again, like we just said, look at the buy volume is absolutely dying out. So we could end up just kind of moving to the side from here. But yeah, we do have bullish CVD showing up. So that's kind of the game plan that I'm waiting for right now. So I'm just going over more of like a higher term time frame type of a deal. Let's see. Where's the stop loss? My stop loss. Okay, so we have Chart Champions asking, where is the stop loss? I have my stop loss down here. Right here at 7,000. That's what I would suggest. So if you guys are watching, if you wanted to enter a long right now, you enter right here, and then you put your stop loss all the way down here at around 7,000 or 6,000. So you're going for a 83% possible loss to a 13% gain. I think that's really kind of what it is that you would want to be looking for. And that goes to shout out to the Chart Champions. Where's the stop loss? So yeah, I appreciate that question, Mr. Chart Champion. Whoever you are, Mr. Chart Champions, I appreciate that question. All right, now let's look at the oh yeah, none of this is financial advice, by the way, Mr. Joe 977. This is just what I'm doing and what I'm seeing. So we have that nice little parallel channel. Let's take a look. Hopefully, Mr. Chart Champion, that answers your question about where's the stop loss. Where's the stop loss? So let's see. Oh yeah, this is actually a really, really good sign. You can start to see the EMAs are starting to get in line with 200, 155, and 26. So that's really a really nice bullish sign right there when you have your EMAs doing that. Let's check on the 2 hour, same exact thing. We have all of the EMAs below us holding us up, so that's also really bullish. That kind of crossover happened at about 12 o'clock my time PST. That's California time. Let's see here. We still have bullishness on the 4 hour. We still haven't touched the 200. The 100 is still holding us up, and then we have the 50 and the 26 still there. So things are definitely looking pretty solid for the bullish side. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. You know, I appreciate that, man. I appreciate that. Anyways, if you guys don't know, man, Daniel is the god. He is the chart champion. His link is in the description box below. Check him out on Instagram. Check him out on the website. Check him out on the YouTube. Just type in Chart Champions on YouTube. He is the god himself. Let's see. So we're going over the EMAs on my trader checklist. Again, we're kind of just waiting a little bit. Unfortunately, you have a lot of the buy volume is completely dying off here. And actually, you have a decrease in buy volume and an increase in people that are closing out of their longs right now. So that's not a good sign if you're a bull. You have an increase in people closing out, decrease in people opening up at these highs. And so maybe everybody else is doing what I'm doing right now, which is waiting, just waiting for there to be some type of sign to hop back into a long. And so, yeah, like I said, somewhere around here could possibly be that. I'm waiting for some type of reset on like RSI, CBD, something like that. Let's see. So we have trend lines, fib channels, current range. Let's look at the current range. Let's pull a fixed range tool. Let's say this is the start of the range. Let's go on the 1 hour. All right, so let's get rid of all of these because we've seen that we are being held up bullishly by the EMAs. We have our value area high right here, which probably lines up with a naked point of control, kind of, sort of. You also have this high volume node right here. You also, like I said, that's lining up with the 2 hour order block and the value area high. So this is good, looking like more and more of a good area to short. So it's going to be really, really difficult to have this kind of a breakout type of a deal. So that is looking pretty sexy right there. Let's see what else is on the trader checklist. Horizontal levels, we've already gone over those. Ranges. Yeah, we have the trend line. I don't see any more ranges. I mean, we do have the parallel channel that we're still bumping up against. Net longs, net shorts. Let's look at that. Let's actually take a look at the net longs, net shorts. Which indicator? This is exo charts. This is called exo charts that I'm using. So it's exocharts.com. That gives you all of this information. So let's go ahead and do this. So this is the net longs, net shorts. Let's see how things are progressing on the 30-minute. Okay. So this is the past couple of days. All right. So you see here, shorts are starting to open. So that's why we're kind of moving sideways right now, is because there seems to be a big battle between the shorts opening right now and the longs opening at the same time. Yeah, they're even opening even more. Let's look more like the closer on the 10-minute time frame. Let's see what's going on with that. Let's take a look at the current price action. So we have a lot of longs opening. So overall, even though we're seeing the decline in longs, overall from here to here, even all the way from here and here, we could say that longs are opening, shorts are closing. So still the safe bet, it seems like, would be to long. But right now we are seeing shorts finding some little bit of support here, and they're popping up right now. So I don't know, maybe this could be a little bit of a short-term situation happening. But yeah, or maybe we could just come down and take these lows and continue on up, because let's take a look at these trend lines again. Maybe it wants to do that right now, is you come up. Maybe if we pull it like this, we could end up coming back down, retouching the trend line, hitting the 618, and then continuing on up. Because right now, again, things are not looking too hot. All right, let's see. What else do we have on the trader checklist? Naked fibs, single prints. Do we have any I don't think we have any single prints. Daily 4-hour order blocks, previous levels, speed fan. Oh yeah, I don't ever do the speed fan. Let's look at the speed fan. Let's take a look. Speed fan, where are you at? Let's do it. Speed fan from the high to the low. Let's make sure we get this right on time. There it is. Where's the other one? There it is. I think this is right. All right, so 786. Maybe I need to do the speed fan here. Let's go ahead and go back to the 1 hour. Speed fan. Oh, 786 getting rejected from that. Let's turn these 886. 3, 2 to 1 to 0. Is the 886 lining up with anything? Not really. So it looks like the 786, we are getting some more sells coming in, but it looks like it's going to be, oh, we could end up with some divergence. Let's see here. Oh man, I should have shorted. No, I should have shorted. Look, here and here, and then price action is doing this. Oh man. Oh wait, what? I wish I was paying attention. Look at this. It's nothing but positive delta. Everybody's just trying to buy, but you're putting in red candles here. That is definitely a sign it's time to short. Damn it, I shouldn't have done this higher term time frame analysis right now. I missed out on so many trades. What else is there? Just for 5 viewers. No, this is not worth it. This is not worth it. Yeah, with that, I think I'm gonna have to be done here pretty soon. Let's see. I think that's it on the trader checklist. Oh, RSI. Let's look at the RSI. That's what we forgot to do. We have RSI, so we did the speed fan. From here to here, we had the 786. RSI divergences. Let's look at that. So we'll go here. What's going on? Yeah, we're still in this triangle pattern on the RSI. Let's see, we're doing this. I think we can probably do something like that. Yeah, that kind of works out. We're forming so many. No, that doesn't work. There are no trend lines here. All right, let's look on the 30. Yeah, I think you can kind of see it a little bit more clearly on the 30-second or 30 minutes. Yeah, everything is just in a triangle. I mean, basically that's really what it is. You can see these just coming down and down. You can see this kind of popping up a little bit here. Let's go on the 1 hour and see. Let's see if there's any divergences playing out or going on. Let's move this up. like so. Nope, we're just kind of chugging along here like this. So RSI and price kind of doing the same thing. So there's no divergences going on at all. Let's see, only 2 hour. We are putting in some divergences. If we do come up, I mean, wait, we are already putting in divergences on the 2 hour. Let's check the 1 hour to see. Yeah, same thing. 1 hour, you have your divergences. So the fact that we do have the divergences on the 30-minute and the 1 hour right here, I mean, the divergences keep happening. So as we come up, so this definitely looks like it's losing strength. We do have some of the longs opening up now that there is actual CVD divergence. So you have this low, boom, you hit the wait, is that the level that I was looking for this whole time? Maybe that would suck, but now you do start to have longs opening, and so maybe that is the actual level. I got to get back to this. Let's see. Yeah, let's go 37,100 support forming. Yes, 37,100. I'm guessing that's where you longed. Let's see, how long have we been doing this? 26 minutes. Nobody's going to want to watch this shit for 26 minutes. All right, I think we're done basically going through all the trader checklists. We've gone through the EMAs. We've gone through this naked point of controls, order block, CVD, high time frame, low time frame, speed fans, the pivots. Let's check out the pivots. Let's check out les pivots. If you guys are wondering, this is my trader checklist that I'm looking at right now. Oops, that's not a good thing. Not a good thing, my friend. Bring it back. There we go. This is the trader checklist that I'm looking at. So let's go back to it. This. Okay, let's do that. I forget. Pivots, the daily pivots. So the daily pivot that was hit perfectly right here. Oh man, during the time when I was asleep. Now we're coming up. Let's check the weekly pivots. Weekly pivots are below us. The monthly pivots, everything is below us, so there's no pivots above that we could use. And yeah, we've already done the trend lines. We already have this trend line showing up here. Let's check on the 1 minute time frame. I wonder if we do have any RSI divergences here. Let's see. No. Oh wait, no, there is no divergences on the 30 seconds. So this looks like it could still come down. The next area of support that I would be looking at if we do come down is here. And so that's actually really, really good. So if we do come down, this is the bullish scenario that I would assume. You come down, you take out these lows right here, and then you bounce, and then you come up and you start to actually push up from here. And so that trade would look something like this. In my opinion, you'd want to put it about, you could be safe and give yourself a 1% stop loss if you would like. You know, you want to trade it up all the way to maybe, let's see where these naked levels are at. Yeah, so you'd want to be trading it up possibly to here. And so you can give yourself a 3-to-1, or you could put your stop loss somewhere around here, like 0.5 or 0.7, and then looking to trade it up to here. And so if you were to if somebody were to take this trade, I'd say, you know, you enter here, then you look to take profit around here, then you look to maybe take profit around here again once you take the highs, hit this naked point of control and weekly, and then this person says they hedge short and long. Yeah, that's the same thing I always try to do. So yeah, you're gonna enter here, come up, boom. Take profit here, and then let the rest ride. And after you take your first take profit, you want to move your stops into profit. Let's see here. Second scenario is that We pull the fib from here to here. And so you come down, you take out these lows, you hit this, and then you start to go up like that. And again, for that, the entry would be like this. Again, you could probably put your stops here, or if you want to give yourself like a 1%er just in case it does come down. Well, I mean, I think that we'd be playing it that it does not come down and take these lows. I think that's what we're playing, because then we'd also be breaking this trend line. And then, yeah, we'd be looking for price to come up, more up to here. So that would be the entry. Again, all of this would be making sure that you are checking the volume, making sure the volume is going up in your favor. And yeah, I think that that's about it. Let's see. Placing long orders, 1 Satoshi under liquidation price. I mean, you're a beast if you can do that, dude. You have balls of steel. So, yeah, that is the update. For now, I am not looking for this to break down. If it does break down, and we start to have a breakdown of this trend line here. Let's see here. So if it does break down, this is what I would be looking for. You come down, back test, or something like that, and then yeah, you just come all the way down to here. And so if that happens, we're looking at a short entry here. You put your stops right about here. Actually, you probably want to do a short entry here, because once you come down, back test, retest, then you start to come down here, you change up the market structure, you can put your stop loss about here. And again, you're aiming for all this because you're taking all these lows. Probably want to take profit here, take profit here, take profit here, and then take profit here, and then let the rest ride. And so that's what I would be looking for if the short happens. And that'll do it. That will do it.